Alright, good afternoon students. Today I am going to show you trigonometric ratios of some spatial angles. Okay, so let us start. Trigonometric ratios of some spatial angles or specific angles. Okay, specific angles or spatial angles, it is the same thing. Trigonometric ratios of some specific angles or spatial angles. Now what is this trigonometric ratios of some spatial angles or specific angles? You see, let us take a right angle triangle. Trigonometry always deals with right angle triangles. So let us take a right angle triangle. In triangle ABC, angle B is a right angle. Angle A and angle C are both acute angles less than 90 degrees. Now suppose this is 30 degrees. Okay, angle theta is 30 degrees. Okay, angle C, measure of angle C is suppose 30 degrees. All right, now in a right angle triangle, the side opposite to 30 degrees is always half the hypotenuse. Okay, so just remember this, the side opposite to 30 degrees is half the hypotenuse. This is something that you need to remember. In practice, it is found that the side which is opposite to 30 degrees, in this case it is AB, it is always half the length of the hypotenuse. So supposing AB, the length of AB is AC, that is hypotenuse is 2A, then half of 2A will be A. So AB will be equal to A. Okay, you can take X, you can take 2X and X, 2Y and Y, anything. Okay, suppose the length of AC is 2A. Okay, suppose let AC, the hypotenuse, be equal to 2A centimeters. Okay, therefore AB will be half of 2A. Half of 2A, that is equal to A centimeters. Okay, now by Pythagoras theorem, okay, we can apply Pythagoras theorem because angle B is a right angle. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, all we are doing is we are applying Pythagoras theorem. AC square is 2A square, AB square is A square plus BC square, the third side. Okay, so therefore BC square is equal to 4A square minus A square, that is equal to 3A square. Or you can say that BC is equal to root 3A, square root of 3, root 3A. Okay, so here we are going to write root 3A, the third side. Okay, now let us take all the ratios. Okay, sine 30, instead of sine theta, theta is 30 degrees, so we say sine 30. Okay, sine 30 degrees is opposite upon hypotenuse. Okay, O upon hypotenuse, opposite upon hypotenuse, that is AB upon AC, that is A upon 2A. A cancels out and you get half. Alright, similarly let us take cos 30 degrees. Cos 30 degrees is adjacent upon hypotenuse. Adjacent side is BC, hypotenuse is AC. Alright, now BC is root 3A and AC is 2A. A cancels out and you get root 3 by 2. Alright, so sine 30, cos 30. Alright, now let's take tan 30. Tan 30 degrees or tan theta is where theta is 30 degrees. Tan 30 is opposite side upon adjacent side. So AB upon BC. Now AB is A and root 3 by A. A and root 3A. A cancels out, we get 1 upon root 3. Okay, then we take cosec 30. Cosec 30 is a reciprocal of sine 30, that is hypotenuse upon opposite side, that is AC upon AB, and that is 2A upon A, and that is equal to 2. Then we take sec 30. Okay, now sec 30, okay, I'm just taking sec 30 now. Sec 30 is reciprocal of cos 30, that is hypotenuse upon adjacent side, that is AC upon BC, that is 2A upon root 3A, or A cancels out 2 upon root 3. And finally tan 30 degrees, or rather cot 30 degrees, okay. Cot 30 degrees will be reciprocal of tan 30 degrees, and that is A upon O. A is AB upon BC, so I will get root 3A upon A, cancels out, and you get root 3. Alright, so you can get sin 30 is 1 upon 2, that is half, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, tan 30 is 1 upon root 3, cosec 30 is 2, sec 30 is 2 upon root 3, and cot 30 is root 3. Remember, this is cot 30, okay, reciprocal of tan. Now in the same way, so this is a spatial angle or a specific angle, 30 degrees. Supposing I want to take, let me take this for, let us take another triangle, okay, A, B and C. This is 90 degrees. Okay, now suppose this is 60 degrees. Here I have taken 30 degrees. Here I have taken 60 degrees. But if this is 60, then this must be 30. Okay, therefore, suppose measure of angle C is 60 degrees. Therefore, you can say that measure of angle A will be 30 degrees. Okay, because this is already 90, angle B is 90, this is 60, so this has to be 30. So if this is 30, this will be half of hypotenuse. So if the hypotenuse is 2A, this will be A, right? And again by Pythagoras theorem, this will be root 3A. By Pythagoras, just like this, by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so if I take Pythagoras theorem, I get this by root 3. These two will change sides. The hypotenuse remains the same. Now if I take, say, sin 60. Okay, now sin 60 is opposite upon hypotenuse. Okay, opposite is root 3A and hypotenuse is 2A, so I get root 3 by 2. Okay, root 3 by 2, sin 60. Now cos 60 is adjacent upon hypotenuse, so that is BC upon AC, or A upon 2A, that is 1 upon 2. Alright, then if I take tan 60, see the order which I am following, sin, cos and tan. Tan 60 will be opposite side upon adjacent side, that is AB upon BC, that is root 3A upon A, that is equal to root 3. Tan 60, then we take cosec 60. Cosec 60, reciprocal of sin 60, that is hypotenuse upon opposite, or 2A upon root 3A, that is 2 upon root 3. Alright, and then at the same time sec 60 or secant 60, sec 60 will be reciprocal of cos 60, that is hypotenuse upon adjacent. Okay, that is 2A upon A, and that is equal to 2. And finally cot 60 is reciprocal of tan 60, that is adjacent side upon opposite side. Okay, that is A upon root 3A, and that is 1 upon root 3. Alright, so now you got the values of spatial angles or specific angles. When theta is 30 degrees, all the 6 trigonometric ratios, the values of 6 trigonometric ratios. When theta is 60 degrees, the values of all trigonometric ratios, all the 6 trigonometric ratios. So you got sin 30, cos 30, tan 60, tan 30, cosec 30, sec 30 and cot 30. Similarly sin 60, cos 60, tan 60, cosec 60, sec 60 and cot 60. Alright, now what happens if you have got 45 degrees? Let us see what happens when we have got 45 degrees. Okay, now in case it is 45 degrees, let us suppose this is your triangle A, B and C. Alright, now if this is 45 degrees, then obviously this is also going to be 45 degrees. 45 plus 45, 90. In other words, these two sides will be equal. Okay, so if I take BC as A, this is also going to be A centimeters. Then by Pythagoras theorem, okay, then by Pythagoras theorem, I can take Pythagoras theorem to find AC square. AC square will be equal to AB square plus BC square. Alright, remember, I'm writing all these things so that you understand it. Okay, वरना एक्चुअली सब कुछ इतना डिटेल से ना लिखो तो भी चलेगा. आई एम ऑल्सो शोइंग यू, मैं दिखा रहा हूँ कि किस तरह से एंगल की वैल्यूज आ जाती ताकि याद भी इजीली रह जाए. ओके, नाउ ए बी स्क्वायर इज ए स्क्वायर प्लस ए स्क्वायर इज 2a square. Therefore AC will be square root of 2a. So here AC will be root 2a, third side, by Pythagoras theorem. Now you take all the 6 ratios, sine 45. Okay, sine 45 with respect to angle C or with respect to angle A, it won't make any difference now. Sine 45 is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse, A upon root 2a, that is equal to 1 upon root 2. Okay, similarly cos 45. Cos 45 will also be adjacent upon hypotenuse. Adjacent is also A, hypotenuse is this. So you can see sine 45 and cos 45, they are the same because these two sides are equal, obviously. Now if I take tan 45, tan 45 is opposite side upon adjacent side, that is A upon A. So you get 1. So tan 45 is 1. Alright, then I take cosec 45. Cosec 45, this one, okay, with respect to this, that is always reciprocal of sine 45. So h upon O, hypotenuse upon opposite side, or root 2a upon a cancels out and you get root 2. Alright, then cosec 45, then sec 45. Sec 45 is equal to reciprocal of cos 45, hypotenuse upon adjacent, that is root 2a upon a, that is also equal to root 2. You can see sine and cos 45 are equal, cosec and sec 45 are also equal. And finally cot, the sixth ratio, cot 45 is reciprocal of tan 45, but reciprocal of 1 is always going to be 1, so this will also be the same. So adjacent side upon opposite side, which is a upon a, okay, and that is equal to 1. Alright, so you can see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 trigonometric ratios. So 30 degrees, 45 degrees and 60 degrees. Okay, so these are the 3 specific ratios. In addition to that, we have got 0 and 90, but 0 and 90, for the purpose of explanation, it is beyond the scope of your book right now. You will learn later on, but right now there is no need to run that. What you are going to do is tabulate this. Okay, we are going to learn how to tabulate this. Okay, let us see how to make a table, okay, so that you can understand it. Alright, this is going to be the trigonometric ratio, okay, trigonometric ratio downwards, and the angle this way, okay, the measure of the angle. Trigonometric ratio and measure of the trigonometric ratio means sine, cos, after sine cos, then tan, then cosec, then sec, and then finally cot. Okay, all the 6 trigonometric ratios. See, I am making the table here. Alright, you also must learn how to make this table. Alright, then angle 0 degrees, start with 0, okay, then 30 degrees, after 30 degrees 45 degrees, and after 45 degrees you take 60 degrees, and after 60 degrees we take 90 degrees, okay, this way. So let us see how this table works out now. See, first of all, sine 0 is 0 and sine 90 is always 1. This is something you are going to memorize, okay, because the explanation of sine 0 and sine 90 is beyond the scope of your book right now. You will have to just learn it, okay. Sine 0 is 0, sine 90 is 1. Then sine 30 is half, sine 45 is 1 upon root 2, sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Now how did we get these values? I already showed you here. See here. Okay, sin 30 is half. Okay, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, tan 30 is 1 upon root 3, and so on. Okay, I already worked out that. But now you have to tabulate the values. Now after you got learn all the values of sine, 0, half, 1 upon root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Now change this other way around. 1 इधर तो 1 को इधर डालो, 0 इधर है, 0 को इधर डालो. Okay, change this now, root 3 by 2 in the reverse order. Okay, in the reverse order. Okay, just change the order, that's all. See that 0 इधर आया, 1 इधर आया, 1 upon root 2 same, 1 upon 2 here, 1 root 3 by 2 here. Change the order. Now tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. Take the ratio of this. Okay, so 0 divided by 1, division by 0 is not defined, but 0 divided by any number, 0 divided by 1, 0 divided by any number is 0. But 1 division by 0 is not defined. So we write ND. ND or not defined. Okay. ND means not defined. You cannot carry out division by 0. That's why we call it not defined. Now if I divide 1 upon 2 root by root 3 by 2, 2 will cancel out and I'll get 1 upon root 3. 1 upon root 2 divided by 1 upon root 2 is 1. Root 3 divided by root 3 by 2 divided by 1 upon 2, 2 will cancel out and you get root 3. Okay. Again, see here. Okay, this is for 45, that is for 30 and 60. The same values are coming out here, but we must learn the table. I have shown you how to find the values. Okay, tan 30, sin 30, 45, 60. By the help of triangle, I have shown you how to find the values. But this table is what you have to really remember. Okay, so now once again see that. Okay, not defined. Now cosec. Cosec is reciprocal of sine. Okay, so reciprocal of 0, that means 0 upon 1, 1 becomes 0 upon 1 becomes 1 upon 0. So it is not defined. Okay, and reciprocal of 1 is always 1. Reciprocal of 1. Reciprocal of half is 2. Alright, reciprocal of 1 upon root 2 is root 2. Reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 upon root 3. Okay, so how did you get cosec? Cosec, take the reciprocal of sine. In the same way, sec is reciprocal of cos. But no need to remember. Just change the values. Just like the sine and cos, not defined will come here. Okay. 1 will come here. Okay. Then root 2 will remain as it is. 2 upon root 3 will come here. And 2 is coming here. That's it. 2 को यहाँ पे लिख दो, 2 upon root 3 को यहाँ पे root 2 वैसे ही रहेगा. Not defined इधर आ जाएगा, 1 इधर आ जाएगा. मतलब ये ऑर्डर है, उसको उल्टा कर दो. बस जैसे हमने साइन का ऑर्डर उल्टा कर दिया है, इसी तरह से कोसेक का ऑर्डर को उल्टा कर लो. साइन का ऑर्डर को उल्टा करने से कॉस आ जाएगा, सेक का कोसेक का उल्टा करने से सेक आ जाएगा. ओके, नाउ वंस कॉट इज रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ 10. ओके, सो फॉर एग्जांपल सी, रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ 1 इज 1. ओके, रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ रूट 3 इज 1 अपॉन रूट 3. रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ 1 अपॉन रूट 3 इज रूट 3. ऑलराइट, नाउ रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ 0. हाउ डू वी गेट 0? 0 को ऐसा मिलता है, 0 मीन्स 0 अपॉन 1, तो 1 अपॉन 0 हो जाएगा, तो वो नॉट डिफाइंड हो जाएगा. ऑलराइट, और नॉट डिफाइंड का उल्टा करते हैं तो 0 आ जाता है. सो देयरफॉर दिस विल बी 0. ऑलराइट, सो नाउ वी गॉट ऑल द वैल्यूज. यू कैन सी all the trigonometric. This is the table which you must learn. Okay, table of values of specific trigonometric ratios, table of values of specific angles. Specific angles मतलब 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. This is trigonometric ratios and these are the angles. ये 6 trigonometric ratios है, ये angles है, और इसकी specific values है. Alright, now you can see once again, just to explain it to you because this is very important and easy also. Okay, sin 0, पहले sin का याद रखना चाहिए. Always remember sin. Sin 0 is 0, sin 90 is 1, sin 30 half, sin 45 1 upon root 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2. देखो कैसे मुझे कैसे याद रह गया था, ये पूरा फट दे के टेबल लिख दिया. तुम्हें भी इसी तरह से लर्न करना है, तब जाके आगे के प्रॉब्लम्स आएंगे. अदरवाइज यू विल नेवर बी एबल टू डू द प्रॉब्लम्स. ऑलराइट, सो साइन, नाउ साइन को उल्टा कर दो तो कॉस आ जाएगा. ओके, 1 इधर लिखो, 0 इधर लिखो, उल्टा कर दो. फिर साइन अपॉन कॉस करो, डिवीजन ऑफ 0 अपॉन 1, दिस अपॉन दिस, 1 अपॉन रूट 2 अपॉन 1 अपॉन रूट 2, तो 10 आ जाएगा. ओके, नाउ साइन का रेसिप्रोकल ले लो, कॉसेक आ जाएगा. कॉस का रेसिप्रोकल ले लो, सेक आ जाएगा. या तो फिर कॉसेक को उल्टा लिख दो तो सेक आ जाएगा. 10 का रेसिप्रोकल करो, कॉट आ जाएगा. So these are the values that you must remember. If you don't remember these values, then the next problems you will not be able to do. See, for example, I'm just showing you a problem. In triangle ABC, right angled at B, okay, suppose we have got a triangle ABC. Say here, we have got triangle ABC. Alright, in this triangle, suppose this is 30 degrees. And this is 5 centimeters. Now find the other angles and the other sides. Okay, so AB is 5, this is 30 degrees, and this is right angle. So therefore, measure of angle A will be equal to 90 minus 30, and that will be 90 minus 30 is equal to 60 degrees. So angle A will be 60 degrees. अब तीनों तीन एंगल आ गया. अब हमको तीनों तीन साइड भी चाहिए. अब AB तो दिया है तो दो साइड निकालना पड़ेगा, BC और AC. So sin 30, okay, if I take sin 30 is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse. ओके, बट साइन 30 की वैल्यू मुझे देखो, साइन 30 की वैल्यू कितनी है, हाफ है, तो हाफ ले लो. साइन 30 इज हाफ, यहाँ पे है साइन 30 की वैल्यू. ए बी की वैल्यू 5 है और ए सी की वैल्यू मालूम नहीं है. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो, सो ए सी विल बी इक्वल टू 10. सो ए सी की वैल्यू आ गई. ऑलराइट, अब अगर मुझे बी सी की वैल्यू चाहिए तो पाइथागोरस थ्योरम यूज कर सकता हूँ. अब ए सी की वैल्यू इधर आ गई 10. पाइथागोरस थ्योरम से भी मैं बी सी निकाल सकता हूँ, या तो कॉस से. देखो, cos 30 degrees is adjacent side upon hypotenuse, BC upon AC, adjacent upon hypotenuse. cos 30, देखो इधर cos की वैल्यू 30 कितनी है, √3/2. ये टेबल याद ही होना चाहिए, मन में बिल्कुल टोटली 100% याद होना चाहिए. अब BC हमको मालूम नहीं है, ओके, एंड AC is we have just found out is 10. So BC will be equal to 10 √3/2, or it is 5 √3. So therefore BC will be equal to 5 √3. ऑलराइट, अब इस क्वेश्चन में एक्चुअली पूछा क्या गया होगा, इस तरह से भी पूछ सकते हैं कि सॉल्व द ट्राइंगल. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ सॉल्व द ट्राइंगल? टू सॉल्व द ट्राइंगल मीन्स टू फाइंड द वैल्यूज ऑफ ऑल द 3 एंगल्स एंड ऑल द 3 साइड्स. हमको एक एंगल दिया था और एक साइड दिया था. ए एंगल तो दिया ही है 90 डिग्रीज, बिकॉज ये राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल है, इसलिए तीसरी एंगल निकालो, एंगल ए 60 डिग्रीज. अब दो साइड चाहिए, साइन थीटा और कॉस थीटा ले लो, साइन 30 और कॉस 30, और दोनों साइड आ जाएगी. लेकिन ये जो मेथड है किसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है? इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन दिस टेबल. इफ यू डोंट नो द वैल्यूज ऑफ स्पेसिफिक एंगल्स, यू कैन नॉट सॉल्व दिस वेरी सिंपल प्रॉब्लम्स. Alright, so you got to know this very simple problems, otherwise there is no way you can solve it. Alright, let's do a few more of these kind. Okay, let us just see whether completely simple problems based on this. Alright, let's see. We are given triangle PQR. Alright, this is your triangle PQR, in which angle Q is a right angle. Triangle PQR in which angle Q is a right angle, and PQ is given as 3 centimeters, and this is given as PR is given as 6 centimeters. Alright, so now once you have got the values of this, what you want to do is find all the angles and ratios, and find all the 3 angles, or solve the triangle. Okay, the question is solve the triangle. Solve the triangle means find all the angles and all the sides. Or you could be asked a question like this: find QR. Only one question may be asked. It depends what the question is. Alright, so solve the triangle means let us find angle P and angle R. This is given as 3, this is given as 6. So therefore, measure of angle R. Okay, let us find that first. Okay, angle R means sine of angle R. Sine of R is equal to, okay, sine R is opposite side, that is PQ upon PR. That is 3/6, that is half. So therefore you can say that sine R is equal to half. When is sine R equal to half? Therefore measure of angle R is equal to 30 degrees, because sine 30 degrees is equal to half. So measure of angle R आ गया. Okay, now if R आ गया तो therefore measure of angle P भी आ जाएगा. Measure of angle P 90 minus 30, और 90 minus 30 is 60 degrees. ये तीनों तीन एंगल आ गया. अब हमको तीसरी साइड पाइथागोरस से भी निकाल सकते हैं, और अगर पाइथागोरस से नहीं निकलना है तो हम कॉस लेंगे. ओके, एंगल P मिल गया 30 डिग्रीज है, अब कॉस 30 लेंगे. कॉस 30 इज इक्वल टू QR एडजेसेंट साइड अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज. कॉस 30 ओके इज √3/2, वो टेबल में से पता ही होना चाहिए. ऑलराइट, हमको मालूम नहीं है, PR हमको मालूम है 6 है. So therefore QR will be equal to 6 root 3 upon 2, or 2 3s are 6, 3 root 3. So therefore QR is equal to 3 root 3. Okay, so तीनों तीन साइड आ गए और तीनों तीन एंगल्स भी आ गया. That is called solving the triangle, or you could be asked specifically one angle or one side. All right, now let us take another kind of question. Okay, we are given that sine A minus B, sine A minus B is given as half. Okay, and cos A plus B, cos A plus B is given as half. Cos A plus B is also half. Okay, find the value of A and B, where A is greater than B. The value of angle A is greater than B. Sine of A minus B is half and cos of A plus B is half. Okay, what does that mean? That means when is sine something equal to half, therefore A minus B must be equal to 30 degrees. Okay, because sine 30 is equal to half. And when is cos A plus B equal to half, when A plus B must be equal to 60 degrees. अगर वो चार्ट में देखो तो sin 30 is equal to half and cos 60 is equal to half. Okay, so therefore you got two equations now. A minus B is equal to 30 and A plus B is equal to 60. Okay, दोनों को ऐड करो. Okay, you both add the equations, you get 2A is equal to 90. Therefore A is equal to 90 divided by 2, 45. इसमें कोई टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है, बहुत ईजी है. ओके, सिंपल इक्वेशंस है और कुछ नहीं है. अब A की वैल्यू आ गई एंड A प्लस B इज इक्वल टू 60. कोई भी इक्वेशन ले लो, इन दोनों में से कोई भी एक. ओके, देयरफॉर B विल बी इक्वल टू 60 माइनस A. A कितना है? 45 है. 60 माइनस 45 कितना होगा? 15 है. देयरफॉर B की वैल्यू कितनी है? B की वैल्यू 15 है. ओके, A और B आ गया. सो यू कैन सी दीज आर वेरी वेरी इजी problems. There is hardly anything difficult about this. All right, now I've just introduced to you different kinds of different ways in which, now this question which I just, this explanation, okay, this explanation about trigonometric ratios of some specific angles, किस तरह से मैंने tan 30 sin 30 cos 30 की वैल्यूज़ निकाली, 60 डिग्रीज की वैल्यूज़ निकाली, और उसके बाद हमने 45 की भी निकाली. साइन 0 और 90 की वैल्यूज़ निकालने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, वो याद ही रखना है. लेकिन अगर भूल जाते हो तो किस तरह से लिया है वो याद रखना ज़रूरी है. ओके, 30 डिग्रीज़ के लिए, 60 डिग्रीज़ के लिए और 45 डिग्रीज़ के लिए. उसके बाद मैंने टेबल बनाया. Which is this table? Table showing the specific values of trigonometric ratios for specific angles. Which are those angles? 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Okay, ये trigonometric ratio. These trigonometric ratios write in a particular order. Get used to this order. Sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. Okay, ये हो जाए. ये साइन की वैल्यूज पहले याद रखो. ए की वैल्यूज याद रखना है. 0, हाफ, 1/√2, √3/2 उसको उल्टा कर दो, कॉस आ गया. साइन अपॉन कॉस को डिवाइड करो तो tan आ जाएगा. ओके, अब साइन का रेसिप्रोकल करो तो कॉसेक आ जाएगा. कॉस का रेसिप्रोकल करो तो सेक आ जाएगा. और tan का रेसिप्रोकल करो उल्टा तो कॉट आ जाएगा. ओके, और 0 डिवीजन बाय 0 इज नॉट डिफाइंड. ओके, 0 डिवाइडेड बाय एनी नंबर इज 0. Okay, then I told you some specific examples. These specific examples depend upon this chart or table. If you don't memorize this chart or table, you cannot solve these simple 2 marks problems also. Understood? It's very important that you learn this by heart, right? And then of course we did this specifically. We did this some questions also. This one is slightly important, easy but important. Okay, number 3. Tomorrow I will do exercise 8.2 full कर दूंगा, एक साथ ही कर दूंगा exercise, so you can see the full exercise. Keep learning, keep doing things, write them in your notebook and move ahead. Okay, don't just sit at home doing nothing. Don't sit idle. All right, thank you, have a nice day, stay safe.